guys, it's Justin here, bringing you all sorts of cool new products here at SEMA 2024. And we're here with Damien of QA1, and they brought some awesome brand new F-body suspension. But what we're gonna talk about today is that 3rd-gens. And you got to show those love too. And you guys came out with a complete suspension package for one. To take the car from, mild to wild, it's really gonna make the handling night and day.
Right. So we've got a couple of different options depending on what you're doing with the car, handling kits, drag kits. And we've got multiple levels on that, as well as components that will work with your factory suspension. So we've got the complete chassis covered, or you can do, component upgrades as budget allows. So, everybody wants to start with ride height. Get the car set ride height first. So we've got the coilover struts up front, we've got the coilover kit in the back. From there, we move on to our K-member, our lower control arm, strut tower brace, sway bars, wonder bars. We've got new bolt-in subframe connectors. We've got a new relocated transmission cross-member mounted torque arm. So we can get that torque arm off of the transmission tail housing. That allows for this thing to handle 1,000 horsepower, 1,000 pound-feet of torque. And you don't have to worry about breaking the transmission with the torque arm. It also allows for transmission swaps. So we've got tons of options for transmission. So you're building something, you want to put a 4L80 in it. Piece of cake. We've got a transmission cross member that's going to work with our torque arm. We've got you covered there. In front of that 4L80, you're putting an LS or an LT. We've got you covered with the interchangeable engine mounts on our new K-member.
I always love to see what you guys are bringing to the show, and you certainly killed it this year. Now, head over to summitracing.com and see our full offering of QA1 products. It's been awesome. Thanks so much for taking the time to talk to us, and I can't wait to see what you guys show up with next year.
Thanks for coming by.
Yeah, so until next time, guys, I'm Justin with Summit Racing. We have Damien with QA1, and we'll see you guys later.